Hi, myself DN Verma. Welcome to my channel Biology by Verma sir. In class 9th, we have to study cell, tissues, diversity, etc. So, before studying the fundamental unit of life that is cell, I will describe the levels of organization. So, in this video, I am going to describe levels of organization in living world. The levels of organizations are divided into two groups: non-living level of organization and living level of organization. The living level of organization is also divided into two groups: lower level of organization and higher levels of organization. So we will first start with non-living levels of organizations. We know that all the matters are made up of atom, and atoms are made up of subatomic particles: electron, proton and neutron. So the subatomic particles, that is electron, proton and neutrons, are at the base of non-living organization. The non-living organization starts from the subatomic particles electron, proton and neutron. These subatomic particles constitute the atoms, and atoms constitute the molecules. These subatomic particles, atoms and molecules are non-living. But when different types of molecules mix together, assimilate to form the protoplasm, life exists there and life starts from there. So the different types of molecules constitute the fundamental unit of life, which we call cells. So cell, what is cell? Cell is made up of different types of molecules. What is cell? Cell is the fundamental unit of life or fundamental unit of living being. It is the structural and functional unit of all living beings. It is the structural and functional living unit of all the living beings. Different types of cells together constitute tissues. What is tissue? Tissue is a group of similar or dissimilar cells which together perform a particular function. So cells, different types of cells constitute the next lower level of living organization, that is tissue. Tissues constitute the aggregation of different types of tissues constitute the organs of the body. So organs are made up of different types of tissues. These organs perform perform different functions. So a single organ is made up of different types of tissues which have their different functions, but a single organ performs a particular function. Now we will go to next level, that is organ system level. Different types of organs together constitute an organ system, and an organ system performs a particular function. There are different types of organ systems. In plants, there are generally two types of organ systems: root systems and shoot system. But in highly developed organisms and human, the organ systems are of 11 types. These organ systems will be described elsewhere in another video. Here we will proceed further. The organ systems, different types of organ systems together constitute an organism. So an organism is made up of different types of organ system. The different types of organ systems are performing different functions in the body of an organism. An organism is the uppermost layer of lower level of organization. The lower level of organization consists of the lowermost level, living level, that is cell, and the uppermost living level, that is organism. Now we will proceed into the higher levels of organization. What are higher levels of organization? Higher levels of organizations are population, community, ecosystem, and biosphere. What is population? Population is a group of same species interbreeding with each other and living in a particular area at a particular time. The population of different organisms. The population of different organisms constitute the next level, that is community. So community is a group of different types of population. Community is a group of different species of different populations living in an area and interacting with each other. Now comes the next level, ecosystem. What is ecosystem? Ecosystem is an aggregation of different types of communities. Different types of communities together constitute an ecosystem. The ecosystem may be grassland ecosystem, desert ecosystem, forest ecosystem, pond ecosystem, etc. It may be also artificial. Now, the uppermost level is biosphere. So, what is biosphere? Biosphere is an aggregation of different types of ecosystems in which the organisms, that is the living beings, that is the biotic factors, interact with each other and also with their physical environment. The part of the earth where life exists is called biosphere. Biosphere is further of three types: lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. So these are the levels of organization which we must know before studying the fundamental unit of life, that is cell. Like and share my videos and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.